O- Okay, folks, I figured I'd just kind of play around here. There's my old 1985 Ford F350 with the 6.9 non-turboed IDI diesel. Been sitting roughly about a month. As of right now, it's about roughly 10 degrees outside. Wind's not actually blowing for once. I actually kind of need to start this old truck up. It has not been plugged in. The block heater actually does not work in it. But, like I said, I need to move it. I figured I'd just do a cold start. As you can kind of see, there's snow out there. But let's see how this old girl fires up, not being fired up in a month. It's kind of dark. It's been in my shed. Well, my light went out, so let's see how she fares. I get these pair of good old pliers. Now, we'll cycle the old glow plugs again. Well, glow plugs didn't want to cycle. Oh boy, see, it's kind of cold. Woo! We may not get her started. Just note, this old truck's got over 332,000 miles on her. These all original. I know it's kind of hard to see. I've got the light on, but yeah. Hopefully, old glow plug will cycle through. And we'll see if she'll fire up. Get my good old pliers here. Let's get her backed out of here. I know it's cold, but get her out of the shed here. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Hopefully she just didn't gel up. She still hasn't got any untreated fuel in her. She is cold. Woo. Well, folks, that is it. 6.9 non-turbo IDI diesel cold start. Thanks for watching.